Hi guys, welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. We ordered something, which we know what it is, because we ordered it.
We did.
We did. In our awning, between our two chairs, we have a little table come stool, which is a bit too small. Not very stable.
No.
So we put drinks on it and it's very easy to knock them off. So we thought, let's see about getting a bigger table, but something light and something folds up, so something we can put away in the caravan. So that's what we've ordered. So we'll have a look. And, oh, it doesn't come in the box inside.
Did you think it would?
I thought it might. And, that's it. This is it. Get the plastic out of the way. Oh, that's all. Never read again. This is the tabletop. This is fabric. A bit strange, isn't it? But you've got two cup holders. And you just open it, I think, somehow. How do you open it? That's how we go. There we go.
Go with our chairs.
And that's actually the same design as our chairs, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, you got a metal or aluminium frame, a sprung fabric top, and two cup holders. And yeah, that's quite sturdy actually. Very lightweight. Hard to, I don't know if it says how much it weighs. I'll have a look on the piece of paper. Oh, here we go. Operating instructions.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. That's quite easy. That it's folded or it's up. That's what I have to do. It will take a weight of up to 25 kilos. So that's quite a bit. It doesn't actually say how much the thing weighs itself. Yeah, so we can put up to 25 kilos on it, which I don't, that's quite a bit of beer that, so I don't think I'll put that much on.
I don't think so. No.
But that's our table.
Uh-huh.
It's a bit higher than the other one.
I think it's 21 and a half.
21 and a half what?
I have no idea.
21 and a half feet?
No, I doubt it.
Frogs?
21 and a half height by 18 by 18. It is.
So that must be inches. That must be the old-fashioned measurement.
The old-fashioned way.
Yeah. It's about 1.5 foot, isn't it? So it'd be 18 inch. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. So that should be okay. And to fold it up.
Simple.
Simple, flat, lightweight. And you just got the lever here, which you pull. And that makes the table.
Now, what we're going to do with the other 6 tables we have in the caravan?
We haven't got 6 tables in the caravan. We've got the little table stool, which this is going to replace.
1.
So that's going to go in the bin. I can't see the point of keeping that. And we have a table which we have the barbecue on. 2. We have a table which we use in the awning. 3. And we have the caravan table which we don't use. 4. That's it.
Okay, 4 tables then.
Yeah. But
and we still need a new table.
Yeah, well, we need something to put drinks on.
I think Mark has a thing about barbecues and tables.
Okay. Who ordered this?
Well, yeah, okay. But that's because it goes nice with the chairs.
Yeah.
But we could get rid of the other tables.
Well, what are we going to put the barbecue on?
Don't know.
No, so we can't.
Okay. Let you off.
Okay, well, that's the table. So, our next time out should be on the 15th.
Yeah.
So, if it is, everything goes well, and we're away on the 15th, there should be a beer in there.
Yep. And it wasn't a bad price too.
Wasn't it?
It wasn't.
I actually didn't see the price on this one.
$9.99.
Is that all?
That's all.
Okay, we should buy a load of these in and flog them off. We should have given them away.
Yeah. Never mind.
Is that all it is?
Yeah.
That is really good for price, actually. That's really sturdy as well. I like that.
Good.
Okay, so hopefully next time we're away, you should see it between our chairs with some beers on.
Definitely.
So until then,
See you soon.
bye.